to know that this film is not about these many things. So what is it about?
It's totally inspired and based on and adapted from the works of Sharadindu Banerjee. But Koi Bhi Kahani, when it starts as a literary piece and transits into a cinematic piece from, the page to the film, there is a necessary change. There is a necessary evolution it needs to go through. It's gone through that. And that's what it has, that's how it has changed. But the source is Sharadindu Banerjee.
Hi Sushant, this is Urvi here. Yeah. Hi. First of all, wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Sushant, were you ever skeptical to play this character since it has a very different kind of a look and you had to experiment with your look itself?
No, it's just not off look. There are many things that you think of as an actor when you say yes to a film. And the first thing that I look to is whether it's challenging for me. And that's the only reason why I sign a film. Because as I said just now, having so many conversations with Mr. Dibakar Banerjee, I got to know that this film is not about these many things. So what is it about is why he was making a film and why I was fascinated for this film. And that's why I did this. So that's what that was a challenge, and that's precisely the reason why I did this film. And hopefully, during the process, I did my research, I gave it my best, and I felt the character. I thought that I have this authority to play Byomkesh on screen, and hopefully it translates to what audience see it and what they feel about the film. Thank you.
I would like to compliment on to that we both of us realize that we are taking Bollywood has a tradition of representing young men in a certain way. And this kind of flies in the face of all of that. And perhaps the coolness of this guy is the fact that he's completely ordinary. He's not a fashion plate. He's not even contemporary. He's from 1943, which we think is some बाप दादों का ज़माना. लेकिन हमारे बाप और हमारे दादा भी कभी जवान थे और उनका भी दिल धड़कता था, वो भी प्यार करते थे, वो भी एडवेंचर करते थे, वो भी मारामारी करते थे, वो भी गालियां देते थे, वो भी लव लेटर्स लिखते थे. उसमें कोई तब्दीली नहीं हुई है. So I think we took huge calculated risks and pushed Byomkesh's look and styling to something that the Indian Hindi film audience has never seen before. At the same time, if you see the trailer, the tone and style of the tone and feel of the film, the mood of the film is completely contemporary. So that's how we are trying to go for it. And I really hope it catches on because एक ही तरह के representation बार-बार सारे हीरो एक दूसरे के क्लोन्स लगने चालू हो जाते हैं. उससे क्या होता है कि वैरायटी नहीं होती और हम खुद नई तरह की कहानियां नई तरह के लुक्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं कर सकते. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है.
See, the whole point is to, we as actors, we don't completely get into the skin of the characters. That's what I feel, that's my personal opinion. What we do is when we start building a character, we see what are the things that are common between me and the character, and that's the end. And then we work on all those different things that are not similar between me as my idea of my personality and the character. And we work on that. So that's the binary state. And we keep on swinging between me, my idea of my own personality and the binary state. So that's the deal when we are actually, every day of the shoot, we're trying to be the character and feel what the character needs to feel. So yes, I would say that I've been trying my best while shooting for this film, and I feel while shooting for this film and while interacting with Dibakar, I have learned about acting much more than what I had done in the last 8 years of my acting career. So I hope I have evolved, that's for sure. But then I just hope and pray that you guys also see it and actually appreciate the film.
Yeah, hello Sushant, in the middle. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, happy birthday first.
Thank you so much. Have you got the gift for me?
It was a wonderful trailer. I'm a Bengali. I'm a big fan of Byomkesh Bakshi and Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay. I thoroughly enjoyed it. My question is to you that the film tagline says that expected the unexpected. Sure. So what kind of expectation you have from the film and what you have unexpected while shooting for this film?
जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस वाली पार्ट है वो तो मेरी खुद की एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी कि क्योंकि जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी तो आई फाउंड इट वेरी चैलेंजिंग बिकॉज नथिंग इट वाज नॉट वेरी सिमिलर टू व्हाट आई थिंक ऑफ माई सेल्फ सो दैट वाज द एक्सपेक्टेड पार्ट कि ये क्या होगा. द अनएक्सपेक्टेड पार्ट इज व्हेन आई साइन द फिल्म वाज हाउ पीपल विल रिएक्ट टू इट. So that's the unexpected part, according to my opinion. And I hope, and I think Dibaka would say what's the expected.
Why I expect the unexpected?